Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the obvious essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Verify your Jio SIM shows active service and your plan/data balance is valid. Once confirmed, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then restart the phone and the router. This forces a fresh network registration. Next, open mobile network settings and set the APN precisely to Jio's required values. Save the profile. Once done, reboot the device so the updated APN and fresh registration take effect. Now you perform deeper diagnostics to isolate the fault. First, remove the SIM and test it in a known working phone. If it connects, the issue is your device. If not, try a different SIM in your phone to rule out hardware. Next, force network selection to Jio 4G/LTE only to avoid roaming or 2G fallbacks. This stabilizes the connection. Inspect your router or phone firmware, apply updates, and if persistent issues remain, reset network configurations to clear corrupted settings before retesting. Finish by reinserting the SIM into the target device, reapplying the verified APN, and performing a final full reboot of phone and modem so all changes initialize cleanly. If the problem persists, contact Jio support and provide your IMEI, SIM ICSID, and a short log of the tests you ran. This speeds resolution. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity is intermittent, immediately swap the SIM into another known good device to confirm SIM network registration. If it fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.